And to media na so a foreign affairs minister honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa media na so omo abe clash with him hard one. First statement be or the about N0NSENSE concerning the coup d'etat action in Guinea-Bissau. Me wan chire mu no chire wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say ni di mo. Obe like video no that my button subscribe button na be click notification icon for latest updates na be chire wadwen da ama me e wo comment section. Me so ba so. No share for so anya bi ahwe. And you know, I Sunday twam ye. Ana Guinea-Bissau for omo engage in election. There's omo got to about omo oman penny because omo about to class because 2020 and on to HUC leader. And 4 years then 2024 but me didn't hear a delay sir. It don't matter about Sunday twam ye. 23rd November 2025 ana almost got twice na omo ebe oman penny. Now omo got to aba ni we no. Results enyama abontene but results MIN ana the current government and the president, the leader, or N0NSENSE Sissoko Embalo, or the then current president for Guinea-Bissau before and the drawn election. Okay, so and the opposition party, as just also Ariane, and Akoya Senior, Basa be eba because leader Sanka Mahamane Kuford, Mahamane Baumia, Mahama Swarene. Bomia so meanwhile electoral commission enfa results kwa MI na obi granted press conference assured members kwasebasabas any ade no any serious for na hi no just say there be ade angofu menu yi no say anko restore peace papa emma. It's because of that no there were a group of military men led by Inkanha Brigadier General Inkanha emom koye coup d'etat omo go stage coup against the then sitting president Sissoko Embalo omkwe coup against ama me no kese no papa no yeni be bom de na kwahye soldiers for action omo arrest no ama yehu ba bi omo de no akwahye yehu no ne hear about as I speak today yehu ba bia ohye etomi that successful coup area no ana omo aswear in Brigadier General Hota Ntam as the current military leader in Guinea-Bissau. They said the Guinea-Bissau a movie from democracy to autocracy a coup leader. And you know say a coup d'etat country. And you know say just about a month ago Anna Madagascar there was a coup. It requires Africa had no coup no but also how does it cause empire for be nyomu yuma ye o nyomu ma kiye nti so ya for tibo o ma to so I say ko two president that to agu e say an we air trend here now why air trend no na Wednesday which was 26 November 2025 no Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, our foreign affairs minister for Ghana, issue press statement. I know today we say title no just said the caption of that statement. Ghana condemns military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. Ghana you condemn it. Ghana you condemn it. Ghana nyina na yatenase na yakọ adwen bankuo mu. And you see you condemn it. The coup d'etat takeover or the military takeover in Burkina Faso in Guinea-Bissau. I say, as foreign affairs minister no, wakasa magana nyina. I don't remember the last time Ablakwa busa me opinion ma be kire ma adwo wakasa Ghana fo nyina condemn. Me nkan bio Ablakwa. There wasn't any opinion proofs for us to share our mind, for us to share our opinions before you go drafting this statement. Me just a statement me you can me sure. And you know the funny thing of this story, Ablakwa na omu condemn the NDC government no mo condemn the military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. Leadership example. During the inauguration ceremony of His Excellency the President John Dramani, the then president-elect, sworn in ceremony. Moto nsafre military leader Captain Ibrahim Traore emane baase bi democratic country jumedi inauguration of president na moto nsafre military leader emane baase bi na mu wi a enen no make say Ghana condemns what if Ghana condemns anka would you invite Captain Ibrahim Traore obeye de Ghana if Ghana practices democracy and we are against autocratic and we are against autocracy, any sort of military takeover, Ghana condemns and Ghana is vehement against it there. Why then do you entertain a military leader in your action, in your activities? Why then? To the extent of swearing in of a president. Na ehono, and a ye Haley, a honor ye Haley, and that day, you know, and this is for you know, any aje. Even to the point say, baby, Captain Rain Trawi, Etia Mahamano. Call mo TikTok. As a moi, they over there, Anna, then, Anna, even waba, or Boma Hama Hobai, Captain Rain Trawi Abagana, or just a Jimmy Kikasa, and Kwasiaki Kasa. I don't go TikTok with Jimmy. Jimmy's a Omusenians and Biamu. How can a democratic state invite a coup d'etat leader to your program? Oh my God. Nipa or military leader under autocracy with a president under democracy. Moya then amukambo as friends. Moya then something you are against, something you oppose. Moya then na only tell bakono tone said the most serious. Na now no Ablakwa beka se Ghana condemned. Abra one opinion from any Ghanaian. Ghana phobia and chire wan juna Ablakwa wo kasa ma wo ho. Ghana ni bia nkyere na adwene. Wo na wo make you statement. Ono office of the ministry no. Mo na mo make you statement. Mo kasa ma mo ho. The letter should have been Ablakwa condemned the military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. I have my personal opinion. I don't condone military takeover. I speak against it. I vehemently oppose that and I against that. But the first one new opinion, you can't generalize the Ghanaians condemn. Ghana never condemn military Ablakwa. I want to statement. And then I'll come in as a Ghana for now blast Okudzeto Ablakwa.
Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, yeah, or Minister of Foreign Affairs, wa condemn Guinea, coup na akoso no in the name of Ghana. Samiti etete. Utin fa Ghana nkoto wesa fun bia mu ta. Me sure so say enche, say John Dramani Mahama betro letter say or condemn it. And as a more by force, this will restore constitutional rule. Ghana for the constitutional rule, Papa Ben, Ghana na mama constitution esta for 117 constitutional rule Papa Ben, and I'm yo. Na me bo, me bakuno, a bit na. Me no more can say. Time one, installation. Your friend say, Burkina for or more, you know, more invite him. Someone invite him. Na se po invite him. Na ono no ekọ through coup go on what we invite there. That is some support coup. Na even na Guinea-Bissau dey be I say they should restore constitutional rule. Na mo constitutional rule Papa Ben ekoso Ghana. Na ye dey ye bompa ye dey ye say Nyankopon ye gas population aso se pubu na hia ye be di ne dwo. Okra na ye ka kire mo. Ghana na mo dey say ye di agro. Na chief justice to anya he ye say na mo constitution na asafa crisis say when you yes, say, what no more, Tigana, can you don't go to court say, you didn't pour more. At first, money, most of you in Africa to me, I must have one position, just a Ghana agent. Now we are say, yeah, restore constitutional rule, Papa Ben, a Kosoga. What I want to know, I'm a mama home by Namun Kosun Jimiza. Munkosun Jimiza. Seven Africa, only a Koso. This one's a happy Africans don't go on. Now, it's about 2028. Na bibia kama Africa na sabi wono ma adwene endam bia no de na bibia kama na adwene na yes ntimu you have no right to condemn them because all condemn you omo dia and then also condemn Burkina ni go say we invite Burkina and Burkina be on inclusion masa mo be study you ntimi so faga na nkoto wesan mtu omo ni hwe moti ho omo ni hwe Ghana Air Force for fighter jet ba kumpo omo ni bi mo so dey amoko kan to kwa hu mo pesika dienti presidential jet na mokoto mienu wa bra Ghana Armed Forces and Ghana Air Forces omo hia your friends fighter jet mo dey mo to na mo jimisa na mo mre beso adwene no so mo adwene dey anya adwene body ni bre o body ni be bre.
The letterhead should have been Okudzeto Ablakwa of the Foreign Affairs Minister condemns the military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. That should be the letterhead. Now Ghana condemns the military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. It is a lie. Opa mumfa GTV and TV3 for what mumfa journalists in TC Group. Na mumisa nipa 100 and mumisa nipa 10. Say Ghana condemns the military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. Now uda muko bisa. Say munya nipa 2 kura mwedi. Adaya Ghana condemns. Why can say Ghana condemn? Minka hu film. Hypocrite. African leaders, hypocrite. When your fellow civilian leaders or when your fellow democratic leaders are in power, abusing power, messing up, taking the people for granted, you guys pretend as if you don't know what is happening. You guys pretend as if you don't care, as if you are not even aware of what is happening. As if you are not aware. But the moment the military takes over to stabilize things, to make sure things calm down, then you hypocritically comes out to pretend as if you care, and for that matter, nonsense. Cheer. We live on this continent. Look at what is happening in Tanzania. Have anybody issued a statement? Has the ECOWAS issued a statement? Has African Union issued a statement? Ghana Foreign Affairs Minister, have you issued a statement? Look at what is happening in Tanzania. After election, people are protesting. Look at how the military and the police are treating people in Tanzania. Go and see the number of people dying on the streets of Tanzania. You guys haven't seen that. Let me put Tanzania aside. Just Cameroon over here. After the election, that old ancestor, that ancient of this, that deity called Pobia. After the election, look at how people were treated in Cameroon here. You guys never cared, never issued any statement. As I'm speaking with you now, go to Uganda. There is an upcoming election in Uganda, 2026. The opposition leader, Bobby Wine, going out campaigning, putting his message out there. Go and see the intimidation from Museveni commanding or ordering the police and the military to intimidate the campaign process of Bobby Wine, to the extent of throwing tear gases, to the extent of blocking them from getting to some constituencies. You've not seen all this. You've not seen it. Let me bring you closer to Nigeria, our neighboring country, just a stone throw away. Nigeria. Look at what is happening in Nigeria. Terrorist attacks, lives are being lost, properties are being destroyed. Ghana have not seen that to issue a statement to call the government of Nigeria to be proactive, to equip their military for them to go to the aid and save the lives and properties of the people of Nigeria. You haven't seen that. ECOWAS, Economic of West Africa State, nonsense institution or nonsense body, have not seen that. African Union, Gbemi Union, have not seen that to issue a statement to call the government or to call the leadership of Tinubu, that ancestor over there, to tell him that, hey, master, the people, the lives and the properties of the people are in your care, and for that matter, be responsible, be proactive enough. You guys are quietly sitting there, you don't care. It has to take Donald Trump all the way in America for him to issue a statement that they are aware of what is happening in Nigeria, and for that matter, something has to be done. Hypocrite and idiot African leaders. Bamalao, Ghana condemns. Who told you Ghana condemns? Okudzeto condemns. Okay? Okudzeto and executive condemns. Ghanaians don't condemn. Do you know what would have happened if the military shouldn't have intervened in Burkina Faso? Does this make sense? After election, the electoral commission has not declared the winner. Both parties are claiming that they are the winners. Both incumbent and opposition leaders are claiming they are winners. Just imagine the number of, or the chaos that could have rise up. Just imagine the number of people that could have lost their life, all because somebody greedy don't want to leave power. Somebody in opposition also wants to come to power, and for that matter, instead of waiting for the electoral commission to come out to declare results, everybody's claiming victory. The military, in their sense, have to come in, take power from these two people, stabilize things. That is the way to go. You are here, Bamalao, condemning what? Hypocrites. Your bosom friend is Ibrahim Traore. The same thing was happening in Burkina Faso, in Niger, in Mali. Insecurity, terrorist attacks. African Union, African countries were quiet. Nobody cares. Until Ibrahim Traore and the military leaders came over, took over, and make sure that they stabilized things in Burkina Faso. Now, you people have seen that they are on the right path. You claim to be friends. You claim to be their body. Your friend is a military leader. You are condemning another military leader elsewhere. Hypocrites. Continents like Africa cannot come together and have one military force. Look at China. Look at the population of China. Over 1.something billion have managed to come up with one military force. Recently, we all watched their military parade, showcasing to the world how united their military is and how prepared they are in terms of anybody bringing out their nonsense to them. Africa is not ready to go to the drawing table to come up with one military force. Let's say Africa as a general cannot do it. West Africa as West Africa cannot come together to put up a strong united military force to fight our insecurities, disturbing our neighboring countries, disturbing others. No, we can't do that. We always sit unconcerned, sit quietly until things get out of hands. And when the military takes over, you see people coming out to write English. Nonsense. Okudzeto, you condemn. Don't add me. I'm not part.
Yeah, a quick one. When you check this letter up here from the Foreign Ministry, this is a verification that the NDC government
they are clueless, they are inconsistent, and they are pick and act government. Yes, because the NDC government today is condemning military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. Now, do we all remember this? When Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo condemned some of the actions in Burkina Faso, President Mahama called him Konkonsa. Yes, that is a Konkonsa man. He is coming to sort things. In fact, the worst of it all, check this. During President Mahama's inaugurational ceremony, he invited coup leaders. You invited coup leaders, gave them a platform, promoted these people. Then today, this same government, because they are inconsistent, they say they are condemning military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. So you think the Guinea-Bissau military men there, they don't also want to attend presidential inaugurational ceremonies. They also want other presidents to invite them, just like you invited other coup leaders. The invitation that you extended to coup leaders in other countries, that is what motivated them to also organize coup, because they also want other countries' president to invite them. Your actions clearly, you are a democratic leader and you invited coup leaders, meaning coup is well accepted in the world. So that is why they equally did that. Ghana, because of what this NDC government did, we lack the moral right to condemn any coup activities in the world. We lack it. You praise coup in another country and condemn it in another country.
Okudzeto Ablakwa yesrew opre susupre na nya open why minister for foreign affairs o ena no obi nya two vocal asu e no nkire se wonya we adwuma chen no enya wo pe ena why minister for foreign affairs opre dodo what true statement say Ghana condemns military takeover in Guinea-Bissau. The government of the Republic of Ghana strongly and unequivocally condemns the coup d'etat carried out by elements of military in the Republic of Guinea-Bissau. This unconstitutional usurpation of power represents a direct assault on democratic governance and disrupts the electoral process that followed the peaceful conduct of presidential legislative election 23rd November. Enyamwa na muti Ghana hana mukofa Ibrahim Tuari from Burkina Faso say President Mahama ebema Ghana second independence into omra Ghana no be celebrity. Muhu said ye na manfo boje ne so meboa. Ama President Mahama crash ebo na ba so say he's oyobi amanfo boje ne so. Na woni Ghana, na woni foreign minister. What is your policy direction? Adie we a categorical a statement as a country be a union say sing. And statement as a Ghana union in what capacity? We ECOWAS chairman. But see, the government of Ghana views the development with profound concern and express deep dissatisfaction at the brazen attempt to overturn the will of the Sir Ibrahim Tuari na mukofa na bae. A constitutionally elected government in Okutu Nuana. Oh, this action has dangerously interrupted democratic trajectory of a nation and obstructed the anticipated announcement of election results schedule. Na aku masa tobu ase adwuma no obeto nkrofo enye bibia na kiki. As Ghana calls for immediate restoration of constitutional rule. Fasa energy na ko Burkina Faso. Osuso nipa iso another military regime. Ebi yesi bi kura to every wo journalists bi etufi omoye adwuma o Ghana ne ade. Fasa energy no ekoho. Sa energy no mo fa nya so obi ka asem na mo tie na enya moda mo ne akoche no. Sa the same energy no because in one breath the values of constitutionality and it's a freedom of speech and expression, but this time you are suppressing it. I mean, should be about no like no share.
Today, what you mami? Ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.